salmon stew. Lots of vegetables, celery, carrots, yellow bell pepper. I put also a pressed ginger, roots, onion, and tomatoes. And I put also a sweet potato. It's my dinner. This is Atlantic salmon, wild, not farm.